Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I'm at my buddy's house. And this is the sad thing about musical cuckoo clocks. You see this? Brand new movement. You see this? Brand new movement. You see these used parts? You see what's missing? It's this little plastic wheel that gets broken, which causes issues with these. So my buddy, because he's working on a clock to sell, he had to steal parts off of brand new movements. And this is something else that's wrong with these musical governors. These are the old governors. You see how they got the oblong slot in them? Same way with that one. Well, these are the new governors. You have to drill them out in order to get the governor to fit up next to the wheel. Because with the new governors, they only have single holes in them that are not adjustable. Time Savers catalog says when you order a governor that you may have to modify it to fit. You see my finger? I drilled into my finger, modifying these things to fit. You would think that the Swiss, being all wisdom because of the Swiss pocket watch, the Swiss is very smart. They make these things. You think with all their knowledge that they have, that with the new governors, they would put adjustable holes into the governors. But this is sad when you have to take a $90 musical box and steal that wheel that has that arbor that has a plastic wheel. And that's the only thing that's stolen out of this, is that arbor. This one we had to take the governor off, and we had to modify it to fit the clock that we're working on. It's pretty sad that you have to do stuff like this
to get that one part.
And that's why I say, if you come across a German-made music box for a decent price, like the one that I showed you in my video, I paid like a total of $12 or $15 for the music box. You can use the governor, you can use the comb, and if you wanted to, you could take the drum out that has a different tune and make that work. The only thing difference in the German music boxes is they're spring driven for the power. So if you come across a German music box, you might want to get it for the parts. But we are working on a few clocks, and I'm going to be able to touch an Emil Schmeckenbecker Farmer's Daughter's clock before I go and pick up my Farmer's Daughter's clock in Columbia, Missouri that I bought for $30 off a marketplace that my sister picked up. I also have to work on a Emil Schmeckenbecker spinning wheel clock. Whenever it cuckoos, the door bounces back and forth. And if you watch my video, you know what I have to do to that. The tab for the rack stop lever is touching the cuckoo clock, the cuckoo locking lever. Which is this lever right here that I'm bouncing up and down. When it's done cuckooing, the tab on the rack stop lever touches this. To release it, right here it's locked, meaning the cuckoo is out. But at the end, it unlocks it by the tab touching this tab. So hopefully more to come. Hopefully I'll show you some video of that Emil Schmeckenbecker Farmer's Daughter's clock.